All right, so it's that time of year again. It's the Mobile Tech Expo, and this event is held out in Orlando, Florida. And this happened to be the 25th year, so I was looking forward to this show now because I have attended it before, and I love finding out new things in the industry for detailing as well as paint and the PDR side of it, because to me, it's all in the same type of field. It's automotive, and anything I can learn or buy to make my job easier, I'm definitely going to be all for it. So whether you're looking for ceramic coatings, sealants, compounds, and just things in the industry on making your car look good, you will find it at this show. And if you don't find it here, there's someone here that can definitely guide you in the right directions.
Hello. Let me know if you have any questions.
Whether you want wraps or you're just looking to get a simple buffing pad, this will be your place to come to find out about what is the newest, best version out there in the industry if you are in the Orlando or Florida area. One thing cool is the paint correction competition. They got guys polishing up these panels and then testing them out to see how much gloss they have, and then they go ahead and they get a trophy for it. So they have that as well as the PDR competition that they will get vehicles inside this convention center and load them up in there, and then they'll all start doing PDRs, and at the end they will give a trophy out to the winners of that event. And I thought that was a really cool event to watch. You guys will see that coming up.
I had a new partner. Yep. So anyway, Allison is the best. We're here at Mobile Tech Conference, and come by and see her at her booth. Take care.
And Roops is always at this show. They have their nice area all set up with all their polishers. They've got things they're testing out, and there's a wide variety of ceramic coatings. There's so many here I don't even know who they are, but I'm sure that they're good brands, and you guys may even know some of them yourself. But there's some that I like and some that I use. But for the mobile detailer guys, this place is set up with some of the coolest new stuff in the industry, and some of these vans that they've got that are set up, I'm sure they're not cheap, but boy, they have everything set up in there for you to just go to the house, get that car detailed up, and have a beautiful outcome. This was a cool product that I seen. It was actually a printable wrap. So if you're interested in getting your logo done on your car without paint and you want to get it wrapped, this was a company that was there showing their products. And then again, they have all the PDR stuff that you could possibly want, all the new stuff that's coming out. And I've seen some crazy stuff going on. But here is the Dent Olympics, where they're going to get all the cars inside the center of the building, and then they got guys just running around fixing dents, and they will get to be chosen to win. Whoever wins it, I'm not sure who it was, but it was a cool thing to watch. Now this is one of the coolest things out now. This is a battery powered pump sprayer. No more pumping, so I am going to get these for the paint booth when they come out, and that way I'm not going to be pumping. We'll charge them at night and we'll be ready to go the next morning. One thing they do have is a lot of stuff for the interior repairs, and that's something that I always wanted to get into years ago, because the more stuff you know, the more valuable you are, as well as just learning different things in the industry. And definitely had a lot of cool cars there on display for these different businesses. Really cool products from all the companies there. This was a company had really nice stands for holding parts, I guess, when you're gonna do PDR and rolling them off the vehicle. That way they don't get damaged if you have to get into certain areas. But just really top of the line displays, top of the line products. This one here, especially the way this presented the products, just really stood out to me from the rest of them, and it really looked nice. So we'll let you guys watch a little bit more, and then we'll head over to some of the booths that I thought were cool, and I had some of the guys talk about the products with you.
Physically cuts it. She's doing a ghost pass right now, but I can do a proper cut there. You can actually see it.
So there's a lot of guys out there fixing wheels and they're painting them, but they're not putting the lines back in them. This is the machine that's going to cut those lines back in it, and it's going to give you the right repair. You can see all the shavings from the aluminum right there. This is the real deal setup. And it's even got the spray booth over here. If you do have to spray a wheel that is, you know, painted. But I'm curious to see this one.
Let me know when you're ready.
That's nice.
Yeah, Lenco CNC.
You guys sell the whole trailers?
Yeah, we actually manufacture the machines. We're based down in Florida. So we got 100% parts, software, everything is all in-house. We've got this version, we've got a vertical version as well, and then we do outfitting on trailers as well. So you can either have it in your shop or in a trailer. This one specifically still got a repair machine on the back as well, so you can straighten the wheel as well on this one.
Nice.
What does something like this go for?
So this machine at the moment is going for 52, show special at 48.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
What about like a whole setup?
So this trailer is going to work out more or less about 100 grand. 100 grand. Total setup. Right. Yeah.
Nice. Appreciate it.
It's got AC, it's got heating, it's got...
I saw the AC, that's awesome.
All right, so it fully refaced the front of that wheel with the factory lines in it. So all you guys out there doing the fake smoke shows, get the real machine, will you?
You hold that squeegee like that, put the paint on, hold the squeegee. That's the application process. The paint will dry very quickly, and then you use the chemical that we make to see all the paint smears there, the excess.
Right, get it off.
There. You use this chemical on a cloth and you just rub over it, and it removes all that excess paint and it leaves you with clean repairs.
I need this for my truck.
Put that on there and just rub over it.
I've been wondering.
So you can do like massive case of road rash or just a few chips.
Yeah.
And you get really clean repairs. So when all that excess paint is off, you just take the microfiber towel and you just hand buff it real quick. See a little bit of left on there. Go back, hand buff. And now you've got paint only in the chips.
Right. How long does that take to dry?
A few minutes. I'll show you, this is acetone, just to show you like what we painted. Like the goal is to walk up, obviously not notice that the chips are there, but give you an idea how you can go from a lot of chips to like a very clean repair super fast.
All right, we've got Alan here from Aquamist. He's telling me this is the best stuff in the world, so.
Yes, sir. Okay. Aquamist is the finest glass cleaner around. The reason is in the chemistry. It's developed patented formula. It actually coats the glass as you're spraying it with a lubricant. So as everybody knows, getting glass clean, the drying step is the key. So any streaks left while you're doing the process, Aquamist will let you wipe those streaks off when it's dry. Works in the sun, works in the heat. If you come back later, you see you missed the spot, just grab a clean microfiber, touch it, it disappears. You can't do that with most other glass cleaners, it just doesn't work. So the lubricant that's built in is the key. Simple ingredients, works fantastic on tint, works fantastic on all hard surfaces, gloss surfaces like a dashboard. If you're cleaning the inside of a windshield and the product sort of rains down on the dashboard, even better. Just use a microfiber, finish up your dashboard at the same time, and you're home free.
All right, so it's Aqua Mist. Check it out. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Check this out, Brian. I see you got they got your favorite spray booth here. You know I love you.
Hey, how are you?
Not bad, not bad.
So let's talk about wheels, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun here because you just cranked out some wheels on the truck, right?
Right.
Came out beautifully. And how did you enjoy the entire application process?
It was nice, and the best part about it was that I was in a nice AC garage, so it made it nice and easy, but definitely a good product. It really enhanced the gloss, and right away you could see that the water was repelling very nicely. It's only been a week or so, so we'll see the longevity of it, but I think it's going to be really good.
So longevity on this product is really cool, and the reason the longevity is really cool for us, the Swiss talk about it for 12 months. We have people let us know it goes 24, 36 months all the time, many years, because heat resistance is huge on this. This is the exact same coating that actually went on the motherboards for satellites. And that means it's designed to go over 1,000 degrees Celsius or 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than Formula One race car wheels will get. In addition to that, this product, right now you're just kind of rinsing them off with water, right? No cleaners yet. But what's really cool about our coating that you're not going to get with others is the chemical resistance goes all the way down on the pH spectrum to 2.5 and all the way up to 13.5, which means you can still use your favorite acid-based wheel cleaners or non-acid-based wheel cleaners. You're probably not going to need them. A little bit of degreaser or all-purpose cleaner is going to clean them up nicely, but what you'll see is the protection on it is there. You accidentally, with your matte rims, drive through a puddle, and that puddle's full of transmission fluid by chance, that transmission fluid's not going to etch and burn your wheels. So you've got that ease of maintenance. You're watching the water sheet off like crazy, but it's so nice to have that security on your wheels because everybody when you have nice wheels, you want to make sure they stay nice.
All right, so I am going to be looking forward to trying out more of their products. They've got a lot more stuff out there. They've got the stuff for the windows. They've got stuff for the interiors. They've got leather kits. They've got the wheels that you guys have seen. They've even have it for wraps, vinyl kits. And then we're going to be trying out on the channel this here Body 36 on my man Stucky Fab's truck. We're going to get his truck polished up and we're going to apply the Body 36 on it and see how that stuff works out.
I want you to take these.
All right.
I want you to try them.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
I mean, most abrasives that are out there in the industry are originally designed to actually cut metals and not polish paint.
Right.
So just inherently, a lot of these polishes and compounds that use some of these abrasives, when you're polishing, inherently you're creating these little micro scratches.
Right.
So you have to put fillers in the product to hide those micro scratches that you're creating. The car leaves the shop, goes through a few car washes, maybe it sits in the elements for a while. Next thing you know, the swirls are back. Well, the fillers are gone. With 3D, all of your polishes and compounds, none of those products have any abrasives in it. We actually make our own abrasives, no fillers. We make our own abrasives in Southern California. We calcinate and mill our own abrasives. So we have full control over all the production and the performance of those abrasives. And it's a really fascinating process. I mean, it's like a 70-foot long furnace, and it's amazing. So that's what makes us really unique.
Yeah, I've seen it. Now I'll try it. We'll see what we got with it. I'm looking for something that's gonna buff it and be done.
Yeah. So, you know, these are the green bottles are all of our body shop products, and then we have a couple of just standalones that are amazing for just detailers. They'll go to either one or speed. The big difference there is one has no fillers in it, so it's much like a green bottle product. It's a great one-step polish compound if you're prepping for either a ceramic or your favorite sealant, whatever you want to use. Speed is in essence kind of like one, but it also has a sealer in it, so you do a one-step polish and seal.
Okay. Which
That's
one's
the only
that?
difference.
This?
Yeah, so that's the only difference between one and speed.
Okay. And these are the body shop.
These are body shop.
And this means body shop safe is the green?
Yeah.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, and one is also body shop safe. It's just that this line was designed for body shops.
Right.
These kind of were more detailed, or hey, I just want a one-step, I want a one-step polish seal.